Do you struggle to find the right technology and service providers to grow your business, empower your employees, and help your customers succeed? We understand all the challenges you're facing. Do you start with replacing your old technology? Do you introduce new processes? And what about training your employees to use the new technology and processes? Wasting time and resources on the wrong or old tech costs more than the sticker price. You risk frustrating your employees, disengaging your customers, and compromising your brand. ImageNet is here to help. We provide business technology and services custom fit to your needs, all under one managed services umbrella. Your workforce needs easy access to reliable, secure printing from the computer, from phones, on the go, or at the office. We've got you covered with solutions for printing, copying, scanning, and sending documents, wherever, whenever, for small one-person offices up to the Fortune 200 enterprises. Digital transformation is the key to adapting your business to the needs of your customers. We'll create a secure, seamless digital workflow with essential documents, forms, and content secured, trackable, and available from anywhere. Increase your productivity, improve your workflow, and expand accessibility from the office or your couch. Make IT simple. From managing your network updates and endpoint securities to acting as your IT help desk, we'll provide a roadmap for the future of your network infrastructure. Today's business communications live in the digital world. So should your brand. Whether you need to wow your audience or engage your employees, our premium digital signage solutions, displays, cloud-based content creation software, and turnkey conferencing solutions are custom fit to your style, needs, and budget. Join the 3D revolution. Whether you're testing the waters or you're ready to incorporate 3D printing into your manufacturing, we've got the 3D technology, training, and expertise you need to power your business. ImageNet Consulting provides technology supported by specialists who partner with you every step along your journey to a better, brighter business future, helping you reduce cost, drive productivity, and boost efficiency.